Eliminating waste is a common practice to increase the value of your processes. When cutting precious materials, OMAX provides the 715 MaxJet nozzle to reduce wasted material by making narrower cuts. Like OMAX, SOLIDWORKS continues to reduce waste in your processes with the release of SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020. The CAD model of the MaxJet nozzle contains multiple named and exploded views necessary to document the design. With SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020, all of these views are now included when you open the model so you don't waste time recreating them. This makes it quick and easy to create custom exploded animation with Composer and with 2020. You can now save the animation to additional popular formats like MP4. Even though animations can have a big impact on their audience, still images are often a necessity. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020 now provides the option to publish a 360-degree view of your model in a series of raster or vector images. This makes it faster than ever to publish images where multiple view angles are needed. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020 helps you eliminate waste in your processes by leveraging more information from your CAD models and automating content publishing tasks.